please don't make this mistake. If you're making macaroni and cheese, don't use anything less than 8 cheeses. You heard me right, folks. This 8 cheese mac and cheese was absolutely incredible. It was so cheesy, extremely delicious, and it's easy to make. Let's get into it. Comes to pasta, I always say salt your water and slightly undercook it. From there, add your heavy cream and your half and half. Go ahead and add these spices. The exact measurements will be on the screen, and give it a mix. For cheeses, we have smoked Gouda, cheddar, mozzarella, sharp cheddar, and Colby Jack. Go ahead and give that a nice mix. From there, you want to pour that amazing cheesy goodness over your noodles and give it a nice mix. I know I said 8 cheeses, let's get it. We got extra sharp cheddar, mix it up. Monterey Jack, mix it up. And Vardy, mix it up. Last but not least, go ahead and cover everything in cheddar cheese. Throw it in the oven. Folks, this was so good.